Ever struggled with managing stock reservations and back orders in SYSPRO? Well, this video is for you. This tutorial will include the following: enabling reserved stock when creating sales orders, enabling an operator to override reserved stock options, switching between reserving and shipping stock, releasing reserved stock, and lastly, releasing back orders by sales order. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at stock reservations and back orders in SYSPRO. So let's get started. So we're going to start by going to setup, and we're going to go to setup options. Okay, we're just going to make this bigger. There we go. Okay. So how did we get here? So first you would go to configuration, then you would go to distribution, and then you would click sales orders. And you would scroll all the way down and you would look for reserving stock. And here you would then click reserving stock required. Okay, and then here on order linked to a receipt, you would then select quantity reserved. Okay, so whenever you make changes on your setup options, remember to save and exit. Afterwards, you have to exit SYSPRO for the changes to be effective on your SYSPRO. Okay, and that is how you would configure or enable reserving stock in SYSPRO. So we're going to go to setup, then we're going to go to operators. Okay, we're going to make the screen bigger. So we're going to search for the operator we want to give this particular activity access to. So we're going to click on Control F, and we're going to then type in the operator, Tina, and we're going to select the operator, then click on the change icon. Okay, we're just going to make this bigger. So we're going to go to the security tab, and we're going to go to the activities right here. So if this doesn't show list, you're going to then click list and click on edit. And we're just going to make this bigger. And here you would then scroll for the activity description. So again, Control F, and you would type in SO allow, okay, override, there we have it. So as you can see, Tina already has access to overriding of reserve stock options when shipping sales orders. So we're going to leave it just like that, and we're going to close the program. If you would have made any changes, you would then click on the save icon, then close the program and close this right here. And that is how you would enable an operator to override reserved stock. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, then we'll go to sales order processing, then we go to sales order entry express. Okay, so this pop-up is basically asking us if we want to place quantity on reserve or if we want to place quantity to ship. So we're going to select place quantity on reserve. Okay, we're just going to make this bigger. So here we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off to enter the customer purchase order number. Okay, and we're going to click right under line type, and we're going to tap up all the way to stock code to enter our stock code. We're going to tap off all the way to quantity to enter our quantity, and we're going to tap off again. Okay, so now we're going to click on save. So now we're going to switch from reserve to ship. So we're going to click on reserve/ship. right here. And we're going to now select place quantity to ship. And we're going to say okay. Perfect. And here we can now change the type of the order. We're going to say order. And here we're going to enter the customer code. And we're going to tap off to enter the customer purchase order number. Okay, tap off, and we're going to click right under line type. And we're going to tap off all the way to the stock code to enter our stock code. Going to tap off to now enter our quantity. Tap off, and now we're going to allocate the bin for the order. Okay, we're going to select. Okay, add to list. We're going to say yes. And we're going to save our order. Okay, and we're going to close our order. And that's how you would switch from reserving stock to shipping stock. I hope you're finding this video informative, but please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's continue with the rest of the tutorial. So start by going to sales orders. Then you go to sales order processing. Then we look for release reserved stock. Okay, I'm just going to make this bigger. Okay, and we're going to click on start review. And here you would select the lines you would like to release. So I'm just going to select one, and then I'm going to click on release line. And then we're going to say okay. Okay, going to select the bin location. Select. I'm going to add this. We're going to say yes. Going to say okay, process complete, lines 1, release. Perfect. Okay, as you can see, the line has been released. Okay, and we're going to close the program, and that's how you would release reverse stock. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, then we're going to go to sales order processing, then we're going to select a back order release. We're just going to make this bigger. Okay, so here we're going to now select the criteria. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the sales order selection, and we're going to click single, and here we're going to enter our sales order number. Okay, and we're going to click on it, and we're going to click on start review. Okay, so there you have it already ticked, and we're going to click on release all lines, and we're going to say okay. Okay, the allocation and caption details window will pop up on the screen. I'm going to select the bin here. I'm going to say select. Add to list. We're going to say yes. Okay, as you can see, it's telling us that the process is complete. And we're going to say new review. Okay, this is for when you want to release other sales orders as well. So we're going to close this program, and that is how you release a back order by a sales order. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Be sure to connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.